Hey guys, so in this week's video I'm going to share with you the first lesson in my advanced Ableton course at beginnerabletonlessons.com. In this video I teach you all about getting samples at SPLICE.com, and I talk to you about how samples can really transform your music. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to teach you in this course is about samples. When you're making any type of music, samples are going to be your best friend, whether it's drum samples, drum loops, anything. You can just get all different types of effects and just add them into your project to make them sound a lot more professional. So I wanted to make a really quick video about my samples. Now, I'm not going to talk about the organization of my samples yet. I'm going to talk about that later in this course. But if anybody who's watched my beginner course will notice that I've got a few different things over here where I keep a lot of my samples. For example, top loops, and I can come in here and go to shaker loops. And I got a ton of samples, and what you can do is just drag them straight in like this down here and stretch it out. And then there you go, you've got a whole new sample going on down here. Turn it up. Cool, okay, so where do I get all my samples from? One word, SPLICE. I used to get samples from all over the place, but SPLICE is just kicking off. SPLICE.com, I'm going to show you it here, okay? If you come to SPLICE.com, get an account, you will not regret it. You can get any sample of anything you want on this thing. It is just insane. And not only that, SPLICE has got other capabilities now, like you can rent plugins off them, so you don't have to go out and buy a really expensive plugin. You can actually just rent it off them. You can do other cool things as well, like they have remix competitions. You can do collaborations with people by uploading a file to it, and someone over the other side of the world can download the Ableton file, make a change, and you can just go back and forth. It's just freaking awesome, this thing. I'm not even going to bother telling you so much about it, but I'm just going to show you. Look, you can come here and you could say, I don't know, let's just say something simple, drum loops, like this. So I've actually just done a search for it, so we've got them here. Oh my god, it's just endless, and you can just come over here, you download them, it downloads them onto your computer, you can drop them straight into whatever program you're using, but obviously we're using Ableton, and it's just awesome. I mean, like, even if you're just like, oh, I just want something to do with trap, you just come up here to trap music, and there'll be a ton of like different trap effects. It's just wicked. Anyway. So there you go, that's SPLICE. I would highly recommend getting an account with them. It's just every single sample you'd ever want is in SPLICE, and that's where I get them all from. So there's a little tip for you to kick off this course. So there we go guys, I hope the lesson helped. If it did and you want to check out more, go and check out the rest of my advanced course at beginnerabletonlessons.com. As per usual, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.